So that's the question for today for you people. Again from series, of course we are continuing with the chapter. That's what we decided in the like beginning itself, that this time we are not going to put the questions like randomly. We'll be completing the chapter so that it will help you in your complete revision for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced also. Okay, so that's the next question here. See, now look at the pattern here in the numerator particularly. So it's interesting, isn't that? 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Which sequence is it? This is your Fibonacci sequence. But am I going to use it somewhere in solving the series? My answer is absolutely not, because to be true, I don't know how to use it. I mean, I can't find anything special in that Fibonacci sequence to use it to solve such type of sequence. But yes, one thing I can see, that the denominator are in GP. Whenever we have such a situation, what I always try is the method which we use for AGP bachcho. Okay, so what do we do? So we'll be rewriting this series here. So half plus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 8. So I'll be writing few numbers here so that we will be able to see the pattern. Okay, so be patient, thoda sa patience rakhenge. Now, so what I said, I'll be rewriting the series and using the method of AGP, which says multiply both the sides of the series with the common ratio of the GP, and then in the RHS, before multiplying, shift the series by 1 unit towards right. So half into half is 1 by 4, it will come under this. Okay, half 1 by 4. And then when this is multiplied by this, so 1 by 8, and then this will be 2 by 16, but then 3 by 32, 5 by 64, 8 by 128, and so on and so on. And then we know we have to subtract, so just subtract the terms from here. Let's see what do we get. So it is S by 2 in LHS, or in RHS it's half plus, that's gone I think, yeah, it's 0, isn't that? Right, it's 0. So this will be plus, then this is 1 by 8, and then this is 1 by 16, then this is 2 by 32, 3 by 64, 5 by 128, and so on and so on. See, then what I observed here was, so it's half, of course. If I take 1 by 4 common from here, what do I get? I get this as half, so this is half. 1 by 4, so this is 1 by 4. 2 by 8, this is 2 by 8. Okay, we got 3 terms, 3 consecutive terms. Let's move ahead. 3 by 16, 4th term. 5 by 32, 5th term. What does that mean? That simply means we got the series back. Okay, so it's simple now. So therefore I can write S by 2 is equal to half plus S by 4. So half is nothing but S by 4. So S is nothing but 2. So the answer here should be 2 bachcho. Okay, so the answer for this series should be 2. So isn't that a simple one? Okay, so see, whenever we have a GP in denominator, that's what I will suggest to try at least once. Okay, we did it in the very first question. If you remember, I did it here again. Okay, so chaliye, we'll be meeting with another question in the next video bachcho.